Good morning, everybody. My name is David Levine, and I'm the CEO of a company called DigitalBridge. The problem that we are solving is that of the imagination gap. It's an inability to imagine what new home decor or home furnishing to look like within your own room space. The product, it works today, and I'm going to show you to it. It can be used by any customer with a smartphone. No app needs to be downloaded to use our product. It integrates natively to the e-commerce website for the buying journey. 73% of people, according to one study, experience an inability to imagine what new home decor looks like in a room space. 38%, according to a YouGov poll, are more likely to purchase in-store, having visualized it online. 21% more likely to purchase online. A figure I don't have on here, but recently came out of DFS's recent statement. They do £32 million of furniture every single month. 70% of every single purchase made in-store starts off online. I thought it was a very interesting statistic. I'm going to show you a very quick demo of our product working. It would normally sit on the website, in the product page. See how this sofa will look like in your room. Just switch over. So what I would normally do, if I don't have time to today, is walk into this room, take a picture of my mobile phone, and our platform would automatically recognize the walls, floors, ceilings, lighting conditions. A few people in this room have seen this work, so it's not smoke and mirrors. So I'm just going to do a couple of things. I'm just going to put some wallpaper on this wall here. In fact, we download some kind of network can cause an issue. There you are. You can do it there. And you can see, hopefully, the lighting, how the lighting works really well, and how that's come across really well there. I can put some artwork on the wall. I'm sure, like many people here, we all have a Mona Lisa that we can put, and we can move her along here. And finally, because I really am short of time and guests will shout at me, I'm just going to put a piece of furniture in the room, just so you can see. That'll take about 6-7 seconds to download, as expect. But what we're trying to do here is show people what products look like in their own room. It's not a pre-canned room, it's absolutely their own room. So we can turn this around and we can change some things on it. We can change the colours, we can change various bits and bobs. And you can see. And again, this is what a product looks like in your own room, helping you close that imagination gap, helping you make a decision as to what you want to buy. Come back to the presentation now, please, Jess. Thank you. Excellent. Thank you. Okay, so that's a very quick demo. So in terms of our USP, so we're the only startup, it is a proven technology. The technology under the hood, it's computer vision, it's machine learning, it's deep learning, it's AI. That doesn't matter. It's simple, it's easy to use for consumers, it's very, very accessible. It natively integrates with the e-commerce journey. You don't need to download an app. Previous versions, some people in this room have seen, it was all about putting an app on a mobile tablet. Feedback from a number of retailers here in the UK, Europe, and also the US is apps are really hard. They're really expensive to build, to maintain, and it disrupts the buying journey to have somebody download a mobile app, which is actually one of the issues around augmented reality and some other solutions, which is why we don't do an app. It is native web technology. Works on any smartphone. We don't need Google Tango. We don't need any type of 3D depth camera, although we are working with those solutions in the future. And although today the product that is ready can be used on the web, whether that's a mobile web or a desktop web, our solution has already built a virtual reality demonstrator, so you can view products in VR. Pretty soon you'll be able to scan your room in 3D and then immerse yourself in your own room through virtual reality and see products in virtual reality, augmented reality, wearables, etc., all through our platform. So we use very cool technology, very complex, big buttons, thank you, big buttons, but it's simple, it's easy, it's accessible for many people to use. So this is the team of computer vision researchers, machine learning, web designers, UI, etc. We have the experience to make this happen. We're also a very diverse team. We even have a vegetarian on staff as well, which makes for interesting conversations at times. So traction, we're working with a number of retailers, including one of the world's top 3 at the group level. We expect to sign the first pilot by Q3 16. Selected for JLAB, we can establish traction with home decor retailers. In terms of why JLAB, I'll let you read to run out of time, but ultimately, by the end of the JLAB session, we will have built a John Lewis branded web platform with John Lewis content that natively integrates to the online John Lewis buying journey. And that, I think, is all I have time for. Thank you.